Ja sitten se on ihan katastrofaalinen Suomeen.
Serbian officials for the excellent cooperation during the crisis, as well as the Serbian government for taking very good care of the diplomatic community and our citizens here in Serbia. But just as things started to look brighter, Russia decided to launch an unprovoked, full-scale military invasion of Ukraine, causing terrible suffering and destruction, as well as rising prices and shortages of food and energy. It also led to Finland and Sweden to reconsider our long-standing security and defense policy and to apply membership in NATO and to intensify security cooperation with our Western partners. Joining NATO was the only way to safeguard the independence of our country in the new situation. But we also feel that enlargement of the EU is all the more important to solidify and safeguard the security and well-being of the whole Europe. EU Western Balkan Summit in Tirana today and the €1 billion energy aid package for the region are tangible ways of showing how important this region is to the EU. We therefore hope that Serbia and the other applicant countries would redouble their efforts to complete the reforms needed for membership. We completed this year a mini 20